I'm not gonna lie to you. This is like the eighth time I've tried to do this video. Yes, we're not back at the toolbox. We're at this desk countertop at a hotel that I frequently stay at. And today we're looking at a Hourdsy. I only know how it's said. I think it's Hourdsy. Hourdsy set of keys. There's Torx. There's SAE Speedball. There's metric not Speedball, and then metric Speedball. Now, the fact that there's these two, that's all well and good, but the fact that the standard SAE size doesn't have a non-Speedball, I wish there was one of those. However, they do include a Torx set, and the Torx set's pretty nice. If you do notice, yep, it's missing one, which is this one that I have in my hand, and it's actually, it doesn't feel bad in the hand. You can't really tell. You can actually apply quite a bit of torque to them. I haven't broken any of these, nor have I lost them, which is important because they are very distinctly painted. It also comes with this T-handle thing, and it spins, and you can put different sizes in the thing and lock it in. I have not used this, so we're just gonna toss that off to the side. So as far as Hourdsy goes, I think most of the products are either made in Taiwan or China. And I've actually used these quite often. I do like the containers they come in. They're pretty good. One thing I have noticed is that sometimes, and it's more or less a quality control issue, sometimes they don't actually go into the Allen that you think they will go into. So you gotta go up or down in either the standard or metric to try and get it to fit. And it won't necessarily be the size that you think it is, meaning it's loose, or I don't know. I don't think the quality control's there. I do like the set, and like I said, I have used it on a handful of occasions, and none of them have snapped on me. But sometimes it's like, oh, well, this metric size didn't fit, must be standard. And so you go and use the standard, and then it doesn't fit. And you're like, well, fuck, it must be metric. And then you use the metric, and then you're like, wait, no, I said this didn't fit. And it doesn't. And then the metric's fucking loose. And the quality control on that's kind of that makes it a hard sell. However, if you're looking to spend $30 on some keys, plus having the T handle there, I mean, this is the smallest Torx, and I mean, it's solid. It's solid. It's not shitty. I can't bend it with my hands. And Hourdsy in and of itself isn't the. It's not the worst brand of tools. I mean, I've pretty much gotten Hourdsy screwdrivers and stuff, and I hope to make a video of that here in the not too distant future. But yeah, I mean, it's just. I wish there was a little more continuity between putting it in metric versus standard. Which makes me think either I'm real bad at guessing, or they're not sized right. Okay, so however, for $30, it's not a bad set, especially having the Torx keys. The Torx keys is feel like this is the way that everything's going anymore, and having standard sizes, at least they got this right. They got the Torx right. It's the Allens that I have a problem with. And then this thing. Whether or not you're on the right size or not, I don't know. So that's what I got for these. I do have a set of Hourdsy screwdrivers that I got that were $30. I do like those, and they will be upcoming in a later video. But for right now, I wanted to cover these Allen and Torx keys. I just they could have added an extra. Even if it costs $40, I'd pay $40 to have a non-SAE speedball Allen set, like the metric non-speedball set. And yeah, no, I like them. I do like them. They haven't broke on me, and I've used them often. So yeah, I don't know if I should be disappointed or just wanting more out of the set of keys. But they're not bad. They're not bad. I guess that's where I'll leave it.